So here I'm just recording something for those who decide to install over the range microwave like this one, like the one I just installed here, which is the best use of the space. You have a microwave, and it's also a hood microwave, over the range hood, because anything you cook will be taken with the fan that's already present with a microwave. So the trick that some people might forget, and then this they don't know what's happening. Basically how it is designed, it will take that air from the bottom and spill it from the top here. So if you have the air exhaust like I have, you need a plug, of course. For the microwave, usually it's 20 amps. You might have different rules for your area, but I'm in Canada, Canadian capital, Ottawa. So basically it's a 20 amp receptacle and a separate breaker. Here we might have 4 or 5 inches exhaust going to the outside sleeve, and then here we have the microwave. So as it becomes, like I buy them on Costco, but you can buy from IKEA or any other stores probably. But so as they come, they do not exhaust to the outside, as you can see. So the trick, when you receive it, you need to flip the end. Sorry, you need to, how is it with my left hand, because I'm filming with the right. Anyway, I have to switch my hands. And so you need to flip the motor, which is very easy to do, very easy, very fast, but you need to do it, you know. It's not there for you. Yes. Okay, whoa, there's one more. So you need to flip that motor. I've done many of them because I always find it's the best to have this this way. And so I exhaust usually to the top. So when we see, okay, what else? There's one more here that's holding it. Basically that motor, where is it? Something else? Okay, something else. Okay, there's 2 more that's holding it here. I basically need to flip that motor so you can see. Right now it's directed to the front, so whatever it sucks from the bottom will be spilled from the front. So you'll have the same air from your stove, from your onions, garlic, and fish inside your house. So what I'm doing is flipping that motor, and then when I install it, I connect it properly. I usually time lapse it, but that's all. You need to just flip it like this. It's easy, right? So this is it, man. As it exhausts to the front. You will put something like this, the adapter here. After we put this guy back, all right, we put this guy back. I'm just fast forwarding this. Then you put like this. Then we will put like a little damper that fits, that's not it, which will open and close, you know. You have a special grooves there. Basically it will just be like this. So when the microwave hood, the fan is on, this thing will engage, right? It will open, but it will not open too much, so it flips, you know. And then as you install it, you have to obviously make a hole here, which template is provided. I time-lapsed that installation part. So the installation templates are provided with it. They are in the bag that you receive here. You'll have the both ways, if you vent to the back or you vent upwards. So templates are provided, and there is a cabinet template and a wall template, because it will show you where to actually, come on. So this is, as you can see, rear wall template. That will show you where to install that. This is the upper cabinet template, and this will show you where to install this nice bracket that the microwave is sitting on. So the template will tell you exact position of this, and then you will drill a proper holes. So you have two templates, rear wall and upper cabinet, and you need them both. And I'm gonna time lapse the rest of it.